if you're wondering why I don't have a jacket on, it's not just because it's over 110 degrees today in Palm Springs, but I'm on my way to the dealership to go pick up a jacket that I had them order for me. I figured I'd give the new exhaust a sound check on the way there. I do feel naked. Feel nice and cool, but I feel naked. I almost never ride without my gear, just because he's freaking stupid, man. Sun is just scorching my arm, and that's what behind clouds. Crap. Man, I can't imagine going down on this pavement right now. It's got to be 140, 150 degrees, or better. Or worse, however you want to look at it. Exhaust just really brings out the torque in the monster. I got the EJK, otherwise known as electronic jet kit, on it before I got the exhaust, and it just allows everything to operate properly, removes all the ungodly restrictions. And believe it or not, against popular belief, allows the bike to operate in a manner it was actually designed at the factory. Yeah! Not bad, huh?
It looks pretty tight. I like the fact that it actually sits in close compared to the ones